Good day, kids. Another fun learning topic to be discussed today. Our topic is about writing or composing an editorial. After you go through this lesson, you are expected to 1. Define what an editorial is, 2. Identify the parts and types of an editorial, and 3. Compose an editorial. Let's have a drill. Rearrange the letters to form the word being described. It is a newspaper article that expresses one's opinion. If your answer is an editorial, then you are correct. What is an editorial? An editorial is an example of informative text. It is a newspaper article that expresses one's opinion. An editorial can be about any topic, but is usually written about an issue that our society deals with. Let's study the different types of editorial. Editorial of information. It only gives information about an issue. It may define terms, identify persons or factors, or provide a background. 2. Editorial of interpretation. It primarily interprets or analyzes an issue or event, in a more meaningful and enlightening perspective to the readers. 3. Editorial of argumentation. It also gives information and interpret action, but it takes a stand on an issue and provides reasons through facts, in order to convince or persuade the reader to accept his stand on the issue. 4. Editorial of criticism. It presents both sides of an issue, the good and the bad aspects, although the newspaper has its own stand of the issue. 5. Editorial of commendation or appreciation or attribute. It praises, commends, or pays tribute to a person or organization that has performed some worthwhile projects, deed, or accomplishments. 6. Editorial of entertainment. It evokes a smile, a chuckle, laughter while suggesting truth. Its main aim is to entertain. It is usually short. 7. Mood editorial. It presents a philosophy rather than an argument or an explanation. Oftentimes, the subject matter is nature or emotion. 8. Special occasion. It explains the significance of a special day or occasion. Remember, the types of editorial are: editorial of information, editorial of interpretation, editorial of argumentation, editorial of criticism, editorial of commendation, editorial of entertainment, mood editorial, and special occasion. Let's study the parts of editorial. Introduction. It contains the issue or news and the reaction. The newspaper stand shall be established immediately in the beginning paragraph. It could be in the form of question, or a striking statement or narration of the event. Body. It presents the facts to support your position or opinion. It also gives of what you think would be the best approach, or outcome of the situation. Conclusion. It presents a solution, plea, advice, command, and quotation relevant to the subject, or just a summary. Remember, the parts of editorial are introduction, body, and conclusion. How to write an editorial. Decide on a topic. Topic should be specific but arguable, and have multiple points of view. Research your topic. Provide your readers with well-researched evidence to back up your ideas. Create an outline to keep your ideas organized and ensure that the main points of your editorial flow well. Start to write. State your opinion briefly in the fashion of a thesis statement. Explain the issue objectively as a reporter, and tell why this situation is important. Give opposing viewpoint, first with its quotations and facts. Proofread. Process helps catch spelling errors that you might not have seen for the first time. Let's practice. Let us try to compose a simple editorial. You may research in the internet, newspapers, or listen to news for the facts. What's your opinion on video games? Are they a waste of time? Why or why not? 1. Lead paragraph or state the problem. 2. Acknowledge the other side. 3. Stress your side. 4. Offer solution or call for an action. 5. Wrap up or restate your position. Let's us read the possible answers. What's your opinion on video games? Are they a waste of time? Why or why not? 1. Lead paragraph or state the problem. Are video games a waste of time? Are there benefits or harm in playing video games? 2. Acknowledge the other side. Games are a waste of time. Some games are even specifically designed to be a waste of time. But gaming isn't any more wasteful than reading a book. 3. Stress your side. It will eat up your time finishing one game, for example 100 hours of playing video games rather than consuming time in studying your lesson. 4. Offer solution or call for an action. You can play a video game, only if you are done with your assignments or during summer only. 5. Wrap up or restate your position. There is no harm in playing video games. It is only a waste of time if you play all day and neglect your studies. Let's practice. Identify what type of editorial is described. Write the letter of the correct answer.